In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an inventory management board in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use board that tracks items, quantities, locations, and stock levels, so your team always knows what's available and what needs to be reordered. First, open Monday.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the workspace where you want this board to live, especially if you collaborate with a team or have multiple workspaces. Next, look to the left side panel and click the plus icon. This is your quick way to add new boards and work docs. From the menu that appears, choose Template Center. Templates are a great starting point because they come pre-built with columns, groups, and best practice structure, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Inside the Template Center, use the search bar and type Inventory Management. You'll see a dedicated inventory management template appear. Click it to open the preview. Take a moment to scan what's included. You'll typically see columns like item name, quantities, status, location, and a reorder or low stock indicator. This layout is designed to help you monitor what you have on hand, where it is, and when to restock. When you're ready, click Use Template. If prompted, select the destination workspace. In a few seconds, Monday.com will create the board for you and drop it into your workspace. With the board created, it's time to customize your inventory. Start by renaming the board to something clear like warehouse inventory or retail stock. Adjust the groups to match how you organize items by category, supplier, warehouse, or priority. Rename columns so they speak your language. For example, change location to aisle, bin, or warehouse, and status to in stock, on order, or discontinued. Set meaningful values. Enter realistic quantities, add SKUs or item codes for quick lookup, and define a low stock or reorder point that fits your operations. If the template includes a low stock indicator, make sure the threshold matches your typical reorder quantity. Assign owners to items if certain team members handle purchasing or replenishment, and add notes for vendor details or special handling. Clean out any demo items you don't need and paste in your own list to populate the board quickly. Drag and drop columns to put the most important information front and center. Use the search, filter, and sort options to zero in on items that are low, out of stock, or in a specific location, and save that as a view for fast access. Make a few test updates to confirm everything behaves as expected. Monday.com autosaves, so your changes are safe. That's it. Your inventory management board is ready to keep your stock organized and your team aligned.